Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Oz, Canopies 4x4, another Mitsubishi Triton MV in today. Gonna get a roller shutter, we're gonna get a Tubliner, we're gonna make sure it's not all this bare and white anymore, and we're also gonna add a tailgate central locking kit. And we're gonna get right into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed the fit process of tub liner as well. Very, very straightforward. One piece for the tub, one piece for the tailgate. Allows you to refit all the OEM tie down points, retain all the functionality of your tub. And hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell while you're at it. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.